Well, good morning, boys and girls. Forklift Frank here with Married Man Trades. And we are green today. However, you guys, nothing about today's trade feels good. None of it whatsoever. I got chart open here in front of me. Usually on my trading screen when I'm trading at home, I got like the 1 minute, 5 minute, the daily, of course, and my side charts and, all that crap that goes with it. Yeah, so I am looking at the 1 minute chart and I traded DTCK. I guess it just did a stock split this morning, reverse stock split. These small cap companies, they are in trouble. They need money. They often do stock splits to, the float gets lower and they get some momentum out of it sometimes. Regardless, they do it to save their butts. From what I know, from my little experience in reverse stock splits. Anyhow, it had gapped up pre-market. I didn't even get up till 5 Pacific Standard Time, so that 8 o'clock Eastern news. So yeah, I got up and I filled my side charts, my watch list, and good gosh, I do not know for the life of me what I was thinking. I know probably is it was overextended. It had started at what, like $1.40, and by the time I jumped in it, it was, what time was that? 7:35, so an hour into the open. Or no, shoot, my bad. 5:30. No. Let's see here. 19:07. Oh, I have it on Pacific Standard Time. What a dork I am. Okay, so this is the actual buy time, 7:35. I got in after huge topping tail on the 1 minute. Huge topping tail. That's sell pressure, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I was thinking it was going to extend. That's what I was thinking. I was like, I'll take a chance here and see if it extends, And it didn't, you guys. It dropped. And why I'm so upset with myself is because I have to get rid of these losers. I absolutely have to get rid of these losers. ASAP. Because another trade will come. There's always tomorrow. And on and on. However, I didn't. It dipped way low. What was it? Later in the day, it finally it finally found a bottom. And my share price was, let me open my journal real quick. Yes indeed. My share price was $2.75. So back to our 1 minute chart. Yeah, what in the absolute heck was I thinking? This is not my strategy. I jumped the gun big time. And like a dingbat, I stayed in it. Then at 9:50, it finally did. It broke up. I went into profit and I didn't take it. I thought that was it. I thought, okay, here it goes. Now it's about to go. Now it's about to take off. We're gonna clear $3 easy, right? No. It didn't, and wouldn't you know, it dropped down. It kind of stayed. It didn't drop down as far as it did below. I stayed in it. I figured at that point when it popped up so much at that 950 candle, I was like, okay, all right, you know, when the little power hour comes, I suspect I'll be able to get out of this trade. I think there's kind of patterns to these, you know, and people try to pump it up the last hour of the trading day. Anyways, it did, you guys. I got out 287. $2.87 a share. No. $2.83 for a gain of, 8 cents a share. And it was a gain. It was a 2.7% gain. I mean, that's good, but I can promise you it was down more than 2%. So that's not good. That's not sticking to my rules. That's none of it. None of it. Good gosh. So, yeah, man. Can't be doing that. If I cannot get rid of my losers, I am not going to make it as a trader. Period. I have an edge. My edge works. You know, probably more than 70% of the time, when I put in an order, it shows me green right away. If I take it or not, that's completely on the other side. But, you know, I have an edge. It works. If I stick to my rules, I'll make it. I know I will. I love trading so much. I love watching candlesticks. I love the price action. My eyes don't love it when I watch charts too much, but it's unnecessary. You don't have to watch charts all day long. So yeah, guys, I'm still, honing this in. We had a good February, and I know I will have a good March. I am positive of it. So we'll be back at it tomorrow, you guys. One of my problems too is like, I need to get rid of the charts from the day before. Like, wipe them clean. Whatever's popped up on the scanner that morning, that's what I'm going to trade. I'm always trying to get, like, I'm going to get in a good price on something from Friday or something. So it's crazy thinking. Gosh. I think as traders, we may have crazy thoughts. Maybe that's just me. But, not acting on them, staying disciplined, and following my rules, following my structure. Should have just, boom, gotten out and moved on. But I didn't. Instead, I'm like, oh, man. My wife's over here, and she's like, you're saying fuck a lot. I might do that anyways, but she heard. She knows. She knows the deal. I got a good woman too. She sticks by my side through all this. And that's why I do this. I know that I can be successful at this. I know I am capable of being a trader. I know that these suckers will be here tomorrow and we're going to trade them, you know? So, like I said, 2.7% return on a trade. That's great. However, don't feel well, man. It does not feel good. Friday, now that felt good. SYNX, that sucker popped. I was watching that this morning too because, why? Because I think I can get something from Friday's gappers. Yesterday's gappers. It's nonsense. It's crazy. Sometimes, but it's not always the same. And so, and good gosh, wouldn't you know too, when I finally did get out of DTCK, that sucker ran. It broke and got a new high a day. Went up to like $3.40, $3.39, yeah, $3.40, something like that. I sold at the 280, what did I say? 287, 283, something like that. Yeah. I told myself though, once this sucker, I saw it going up. Once this sucker gets green, I'm getting out regardless. I don't care. I had been watching it way too long. I really just like to make a good trade and get out, you guys. Make a good trade and get out. Like, I got a full-time job, family, we got soccer, everything. We just got baby chicks. So, you know, I got a full life, and that's the cool thing about trading too is, can just make a great trade and be done for the day. I can't wait for that day. That day when it comes, when I can just depend on this as, you know, money to pay bills. I'm not there yet. My account size isn't there to like make bill money. But it will be. I am very certain. I ain't never gonna stop. I love this. I love trading, man. I do. I wish there was like a message board. I suppose there is in ways, but I wish I could like talk to the people, chat with the people trading the same stock as me. Wouldn't that be kind of cool if there was like a message board on the ticker? I'm always curious what people say too with these tickers. DTCK, I don't know why, but Dick Tracy comes to my head. That don't make no sense. Just silly names for different tickers. So, yeah, thanks boys and girls. Ladies and gents, moms and dads. We will be back at it tomorrow. If you find anything in common with me, or if you don't, leave a like, subscribe, throw a comment in the comments, guys. Yeah, holla at me, Forklift Frank. I'll see you guys tomorrow, no doubt about it.